This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan cake without an oven. First, let's prepare the essential caramel base. In a small saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Be careful, as it gets hot quickly. Immediately pour this hot caramel into your chosen 9-inch round mold, tilting it to coat the entire bottom surface. Set the mold aside to let the caramel cool and harden completely. Next, we'll create the creamy flan layer. In a blender, combine 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend these ingredients on a low speed for about 1 minute until everything is thoroughly combined. For an extra smooth flan, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into a bowl. This step helps remove any air bubbles or small egg solids, ensuring a perfect texture. Now, let's add the cake component. Prepare a simple chocolate cake batter. You can use your favorite recipe or a boxed mix. Once your flan mixture is ready, carefully pour it over the hardened caramel in your mold. Then, gently spoon the cake batter on top of the flan mixture. The batters will naturally separate during cooking. Place the covered mold into a large pot with about 2 inches of simmering water. Then steam for 60 to 90 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. After steaming, remove your flan cake and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. Once cool, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set fully. When ready to serve, run a thin, flexible knife around the inner edges of the mold to loosen the flan. Place a serving plate upside down over the mold, then carefully invert it. The caramel will cascade beautifully over your delicious flan cake. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.